Welcome to my kitchen with me, Naris. On today's menu is a dry braised peri peri chicken giblets, liver, heart and chicken. Let's begin. I'm going to be boiling everything in some boiled water, ginger and garlic paste, lemon juice, a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a bay leaf. So I have added in my giblets and I'm going to follow this with some chicken heart. I'm going to let this boil for approximately 30 minutes before adding in my chicken liver, followed by the chicken fillet pieces. I'm going to let that boil for a further 15 minutes and then I'm going to strain and have this ready to be braised. So once this reaches a boil, I will remove it and have it ready to be braised. I've added in my oil followed by a large diced onion. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to follow this with a dry chili for some extra heat, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder, and a teaspoon of hot chili powder, 1 curry spoon of masala. I've got some fresh green chili, thyme and curry leaf. And I'm just adding a little water to loosen up that spices. We're going to give all of this a nice good mix. And now we are going in with the liver, chicken, heart and the giblets. If you haven't tried this, be sure to give it a try. It's absolutely amazing and delicious. The best part is the saucy texture. Let's add some salt for taste. A little water, just to let this cook for a little while, approximately 10 minutes, because everything has been pre-boiled. And everything you can see has come together very nicely. To finish off, I'm using a little bit of Nando sauce, and I will also be using Steer's peri peri sauce. What I love about this is it has a little sweet, sour and tangy flavor profile, and it has a lovely thick creamy peri peri gravy. Absolutely divine and perfect for dipping some bread. And there you have it, guys. This is your dry braised peri peri giblets, liver, chicken and chicken heart. Amazing powerhouse of flavors. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking, friends. Thanks for watching.